Hi friends, this video is about vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that are required as nutrients in small amounts by an organism. It is distinct from fats, carbohydrates and proteins. Natural component of foods present in minute amounts. It is essential for normal physiological function. Most of them are not synthesized to meet normal physiological needs, but two of them are synthesized in our body. That is, T3 and B3 are synthesized in our body. And in 1911, Casimir Funk names anti-beriberi factor as vitamin. Vitamin is first named as Casimir Funk. Casimir Funk named anti-beriberi factor as vitamin in 1911, and in 1913, Elmer McCollum demonstrated two growth factors from diet, that is fat soluble A and water soluble B. These two names are very important. The first is Casimir Funk, first named vitamin, then Elmer McCollum. Vitamins are classified into two, that is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. First of all, fat soluble vitamins. Especially four vitamins are fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E, K, that is ADEK. ADEK is called fat soluble vitamins. And A is retinol, then D calciferol, E tocopherol and K phytamanedione. So here I presented a short form or shortcut for these vitamins, that is Rectofi. Rectof means Re means retinol, C calciferol, T tocopherol, PHY phytamanedione. Rectofi. Then water soluble vitamins. There are two types of water soluble vitamins, that is B complex vitamins and vitamin C. First of all, B complex vitamins. B complex vitamins consist of 8 vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B4 is absent, B5, B6, B7, B8 and 9, B8 is absent, then B9, B10 and 11 is absent, then B12. So B1 is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin, B9 folate, B12 cobalamin, then vitamin C ascorbic acid. So the short form is or shortcut is Trin and Papi took biofocal themes. It is very easy to understand, that is Trin and Papi took biofocal themes. Trin and Papi took biofocal themes, that is T is thiamine, B1 thiamine, R is riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, vitamin B2 is riboflavin, Ri is riboflavin, N B3, that is niacin, then Pa pantothenic acid, that is P5, P4 is absent, so P5 pantothenic acid, Pa pantothenic acid, Py is pyridoxine, pyridoxine is B6 pyridoxine, Pa pantothenic acid, Py pyridoxine. Took bio B7 biotin, biofocal themes, FO is folate, that is B9 is folate, C is cobalamin, C vitamin B12 cobalamin, A ascorbic acid, A is ascorbic acid. So Trin and Papi took biofocal themes. Okay. Then it includes vitamins and also the deficiency diseases of fat soluble vitamins. First of all, A is otherwise called retinol or retinols, and it is present in this retinol or retinols are present in animal origin, and in plant origin vitamin A is known as carotenoids. In plant origin it is called carotenoids in the form of beta carotene, and in plants it is present in retinols or retinols and causes deficiency disease such as night blindness and hyperkeratosis or keratomalacia, especially related to eye. Night blindness, hyperkeratosis and keratomalacia. So the short form is ARNAP-K, where vitamin A, R is retinol or retinol, then N is night blindness, NAB is night blindness, then K is keratomalacia, ARNAP-K for vitamin A. A is vitamin A, then R is retinol, then N is night blindness, NAB night blindness, K keratomalacia. Okay. Then D, vitamin D. Vitamin D is otherwise called sunshine vitamin, and it is in two forms such as D2 and D3. And D3 is most important, that is called calciferol, and D2 is ergocalciferol. D3 is called calciferol, D2 ergocalciferol, and the main deficiency diseases are rickets and osteomalacia. Rickets and osteomalacia. The vitamin D deficiency disease is common in Kerala. Vitamin D deficiency disease is common because it is synthesized in our body due to the presence of sunlight in the adipose tissue. But nowadays, this deficiency disease and symptoms are common in Kerala. Vitamin D, Dicor. Dicor means cold calciferol and ergocalciferol. D is vitamin D. Then C is cold calciferol. Then O is osteomalacia. R is rickets. O, osteomalacia, R, rickets. Dicor. Then vitamin E, it is otherwise called fertility vitamin, and it is in two forms such as tocopherols or tocotrienols. Tocopherols and tocotrienols. Deficiency is very rare, and mild hemolytic anemia is seen in newborn infants. Then vitamin K, it is otherwise called phytomenadione or phyloquinone or menaquinones. Then deficiency disease is bleeding diathesis. Vitamin K is otherwise called clotting vitamin. These are the overdose or symptoms. Overdose symptoms, and it is also seen the food sources. Here in this slide, so see the food sources also. First of all, A causes overdose results in hypervitaminosis or vitaminosis A. Food sources are liver and dairy products. Then plant origin is especially yellow colored fruits and vegetables such as orange, ripe yellow fruits, leafy vegetables, carrots, pumpkins, squashes, spinach, etc. are rich source of vitamin A. Then vitamin D. Overdose results in hypervitaminosis D, and it is especially seen in mushrooms and in lichen. Lichen is the association of fungi and algae. And then eggs. Egg white is vitamin D is absent in egg white. It is only present in egg yolk, yellow colored egg yolk. Then liver, certain fish species such as sardines. Then mushroom known as shiitake mushrooms, it is present in shiitake mushrooms. Then E, and the hyper or overdose results in increased incidence of congestive heart failure, because cholesterol is associated with vitamin E and adrenaline, so vitamin E production results in heart diseases. Food sources are many fruits and vegetables and oil seeds, for example sesame oil seeds. Then vitamin K. Overdose results in decreased anticoagulation effect of warfarin. Food sources are leafy green vegetables such as spinach, egg yolk, liver, etc. Then water soluble vitamins. First vitamin is vitamin C. It is known as ascorbic acid, and deficiency disease is scurvy. Overdose results in stomach pain or diarrhea or flatulence. The food sources are yellow colored citrus fruits or orange, lemon, etc. Then B complex vitamins. There are 8 types of B complex vitamins such as B1, thiamine, and the deficiency disease are beriberi or Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Beriberi is a disease caused by deficiency of vitamin B1, and it is also known as thiamine deficiency. Especially it is affects the heart and circulatory system. In extreme cases, these beriberi cause heart failure also. Then Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome or VKS syndrome is a neurological disorder. Then vitamin B2. B2 is called riboflavin, and it is causes a riboflavinosis or glossitis or angular stomatitis. A riboflavinosis deficiency disease, A riboflavinosis or glossitis or angular stomatitis, and these are associated with cracks on the sides of our upper and lower lips of the mouth results in this type of diseases. That is, cracks occurs, this vitamin deficiency disease results in cracks on our upper and lower lips. Then vitamin B3, it is otherwise called, niacin or nicotinamide riboside, and causes pellagra. It causes pellagra, and pellagra is a disease caused by the lack of vitamin niacin, and symptoms include inflamed skin, diarrhea, dementia, and sores in the mouth. Then vitamin B5. B5 is pantothenic acid. B5 is pantothenic acid, and paresthesia is the deficiency disease. Paresthesia is the deficiency disease. It is burning or prickling sensation that is usually felt in the hands, arms, legs, or feet. That is the symptoms of paresthesia. That is burning or prickling sensation that is usually occurs in the hands, arms, legs, or our feet. Then B7. B7 is otherwise called vitamin H. The deficiency disease are dermatitis. B6. B6 is otherwise called pyridoxine or pyridoxamine or pyridoxal, and deficiency disease are anemia, especially peripheral neuropathy and peripheral neuropathy. Then B7 is biotin. Biotin causes dermatitis and enteritis in our skin. Then B9. B9 is called folic acid or folate, and causes megaloblastic anemia, and deficiency during pregnancy is associated with birth defects such as neural tube defects, or occurs due to the deficiency of folic acids or folates. Then B12. B12 is called cyanocobalamin or hydroxycobalamin or methylcobalamin or adenosylcobalamin, and the deficiency diseases especially anemias. The short form is TBW, RAG, NP, PAN, PAR, PYRI. The TB thiamine, B beriberi, W Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, R is riboflavin, A is A riboflavinosis. Then G is glossitis, N is niacin, P is pellagra, where PAN is pantothenic acid, PAR is paresthesia, PYRI is pyridoxine or pyridoxine. The overdose and food source are B1 cause drowsiness and muscle relaxation. Then the food source are pork, whole meat, grains, brown rice, vegetable, potato, liver, eggs, etc. B2 is present in dairy products, banana, green peas, asparagus, etc. B3 is present in B3 overdose causes liver damage, and it is present in meat, fish, egg, many vegetables, mushroom, tree nuts, etc. B5 is overdose results in diarrhea, possibly nausea and heartburn, and present in meat, broccoli, avocados, etc. B6 is in cause nerve damage, and the sources are meat, vegetables, tree nuts, and bananas. Then B7 is present in raw egg yolk, liver, peanuts, leafy green vegetables. B9 is present in overdose may mask symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, and other effects are causing. Then leafy vegetables, pasta, bread, cereal, liver, etc. rich source of B9 or folate. B12 is non-proven. Syndromes are non-proven. Then the sources are meat, poultry, fish, egg, etc. milk, etc. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. If you like this video, please comment below and subscribe.